This is the factory where futuristic silicone dolls are created entirely by automation. Liquid silicone is carefully transported and delivered to storage hoppers by robotic forklifts. The silicone is mixed precisely, with robots monitoring temperature and viscosity, while engineers oversee quality. Empty molds are positioned accurately by robots, ready for pouring. Robots pour silicone into molds with precision, ensuring each doll has perfect form. Once poured, silicone is cured in heated ovens, while vibrations remove air bubbles for robots inspect each mold using laser scanners, with engineers ensuring every measurement is perfect. After curing, robotic systems gently remove each silicone component from its mold. Inside every silicone doll is a fully articulated internal skeleton, designed for natural movement. Each joint is lubricated and tested repeatedly to ensure long-term flexibility. The skeleton is inserted into the silicone body with millimeter-level precision. Arms and legs are attached and sealed to the internal joints using industrial bonding techniques. Heat fusion permanently seals seams, creating a smooth, continuous skin surface. Robots refine the surface, adding realistic texture and skin detail. The head is carefully prepared, with eyes and facial structures aligned for realism. Each hair strand is implanted individually using robotic microneedles. Eyebrows and eyelashes are added with extreme precision for symmetry. Multiple layers of pigment are applied to create natural skin tones and depth. Even the smallest details, like fingernails, are carefully finished. Advanced scanners check every surface and joint for perfection. Human inspectors perform the final approval before packaging. Each doll is dressed and prepared for presentation. Protective packaging ensures safe transport worldwide. This is how advanced automation is reshaping manufacturing. These finished products are shipped globally from fully automated facilities. Subscribe to 2050 Upload.